Good evening, students. So here we
Good
can
evening,
start
ma'am.
today's class. Okay. As we discussed about birds in the last class, some of the special features of the birds also we discussed it, right? After that, we discussed the uses of birds. Okay, beaks used to make nest, to collect food, to protect the birds from their enemies, to feed their young ones. These are the important main uses of beaks for these birds. So now we can discuss one by one. Different types of beaks are there. I will show the pictures. Okay. If you see this picture, can you see this picture, children? Each bird is having different types of beaks. Different types. Some may be small, some may be low, some may be, see how funny is it, right? See, in the same way, here it is. Sometimes some birds have some bag also on their beak.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So likewise, the many different types of beaks. Why they have like different types of beaks? What is the use of?
Chisel.
Okay, chisel like, yes, chisel like that all we will discuss it. Okay. So first we are going to, right, yeah, today we are going to see this types of beaks. So write the heading. Write the heading. Today's date, it is 8/11/21. So after, I hope after the class, during your study time, you are reading these notes which you are writing it in your notebook. Am I right? Am I right, Vaishnav?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Meenakshi, Anup, why are you late? Why it is?
I think it is for 14.
So here say 8/11/28. That is today's date. Heading types of beaks. Okay, that is what we are going to discuss it today. Types of beak. After learning this topic, you will be able to identify different types of beaks. Then what are the uses of these different types of beak? And also you may know why these birds have different varieties of beaks. Okay, so according to the food which they eat, according to their food habit, they have different types of beak. That we will learn it one by one. So first we are going to learn about duck's beak. Okay, can you see the picture here, ducks? Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful?
No.
Ducks are, no, you can't see. Arthur, you can't see the beauty in these ducks. Huh? See, pure white, white colored. White color represents purity, right? Every time, all time, we like white color. That gives us energy. That produces light. When we see this, so see this ducks. They have, mute your audio, broad, flat beak. Okay, so first variety of, so we are discussing about different types of beak. So first variety, that is broad, flat beak. So take your rough book and give the heading as types of beak. Then in the types of beaks, the first one which we are going to discuss, that is about broad, flat beak. So in this picture itself, you can see the beak. It is broad. Broad means wide. Have you heard about wide? Wide, narrow, wide.
Yes.
Okay, so I will show this picture. This beaks are wide, children?
Yes.
No. Who is saying yes? This is narrow. Isn't it pointed, narrow? So, what about this type of beak?
It is
This
curved.
broad, right?
That is
It is broad. Yeah. Okay, so here we can see, children, these ducks have broad. Broad means wide, flat. Are Meenakshi, TS, mute your audio. So broad and flat beak. So these ducks, swans, and some birds like flamingo, like these birds have this type of goose, cranes, like these birds have this type of beak, broad, flat beak. What is the use of this broad, flat beak? That is what we want to see. So, Steny, Jobesh, can you tell me what is the food, main food of these ducks, swans, then goose and all? Can you tell me?
Fish.
Fish, not only fish, water animals, right? Is it only fish? No, small insects, small plants in water. So water animals and water plants are their food. They have to take the food from water. That is very important. Okay, ducks, swans, then this flamingo, then goose, cranes, they are all taking food from the water. So just they see children, when they find any food in water, what they will do, they will wide open their mouth like this. Okay, they will wide open their mouth like this. Yes, and when they get the food, they will close their mouth, close their beak. Okay, when they close their beak, is that only that food only will get it into the beak? Huh? No, it is underwater. No, it is underwater. So when they wide open their mouth, along with the water animals or water plants, birds, water also get it into the beak. Water also get it into the beak. Do they need water? No, they need only the food, only their food. So the excess water which get it into their beaks along with the food, they have to take it out. They have to take it out. How they will take this all water out? See, if you are watching it closely, if you are watching these beaks closely, you can see small holes there. Can you see this? Small holes on either side of the
Yes.
Yes. So if it is like the beak of this duck means here you can see two on both the side small holes are there. Okay. So when you take the water along with their food, and if after that when they close their beak, excess water that will go out of these holes like a fountain. Niranjan, like a fountain, water will get out of their beak through these holes. That is the use of holes on the beaks of these ducks. Understood? Understood? Okay, why do these ducks have holes on the beaks? Who can tell me? Who can tell me why do these ducks have holes on either side of the beaks? Who can tell me? Yes, Meenakshi Anup, tell me why that
Because they will not drink water.
because they want to drink water.
No, they will
Ah.
not. They
Say
will
it clearly, loudly, because
because they will not drink water.
they want to remove the water which it get it into their beak along with the food, right?
Yes.
Along with the water animals and water plants, water also get it into its beak. They need to remove that water. In order to remove the water from their beak, they have some holes on their beak. Is it clear, Ihan Sudhir? Is it clear, Ihan Sudhir? Yes. Okay. So Ihan, tell me which type of beaks do these ducks have? Wait. Ihan, tell me which type of beaks do these ducks have? Mridul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which type of beaks?
Broaded and flat beak.
Not broaded, broad, B-R-O-A-D, broad. Okay, broad, flat beak. Yes, Ihan, Sudhir, which type of beak do these ducks have?
Broad, flat beaks.
Okay, so are you noting down these all things or simply sitting, simply styling your hair?
No, I only joined you.
Okay, you joined, I know. I am watching here. Okay, so children, yes. So this type of beaks are there for the ducks. So I hope it is clear now. Next one, we can see the next type. So this is a bird which is very beautiful. And most of the people are taking this bird as their pet. Isn't it, Ihan? Isn't it? Isn't it, Ihan?
Yes.
Yes. What is the name of this bird, Ihan?
Parrot.
Parrots. Do you have parrots?
No.
No. Wow. So is there anybody, is there in this class have parrot as their pet bird?
Ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, I have.
Sanvia, do you have? Sanvia?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sanvia is having, Meenakshi TS is having. Wow, great. So children, yes, we can, who will explain about parrots now? Sanvia or Meenakshi? Oh, Sanvia is running. I think she wants to show. Yeah, yes, surely children, now you can see. Okay, she will help you. Yeah, wow, very good, very good. Let me spotlight her, okay? Children, mute your audio and watch it properly. Yeah, see, very beautiful. Yes. See, children, see the beak. See the beak of this parrot. That is what we are going to learn. Can you show it some more clearly, Sanvia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes. See, red colored beak, right? Green colored body, green colored feathers. Feathers are
Colored.
yeah, red colored, like a lipstick, red colored lipstick it is used. Sanvia, are you using any lipstick on its beak?
No.
No, that is natural color. See how thick it is, how strong it is. Okay, so what is its food, Sanvia? Can you tell me what all food items you are providing to him, to it?
Banana, rice, and curry.
Okay, rice,
Banana.
bananas. Okay, then chili also, right?
Yes,
So-
I also.
Yeah, so okay, thank you very much. So children, can I remove the spotlight?
Ma'am, can that bird
Ma'am.
Yes.
can that talk parrot? Talking parrot.
Okay, Arthur. Okay, is Sanvia, they are asking whether your parrot is it talking? Is it talking?
Yes, parrot is talking parrot.
Talking parrot. Wow. Can you make it to
Yes,
talk
ma'am,
in
my
this
parrot.
class, Sanvia? Is it will it be okay if we
Yes,
I think now it is so whenever it is talking, you just take a video and share it in the class. Okay, Sanvia? Okay. So Meenakshi TS, what you want? Are you also planning to show any parrot? Okay. No, I think no.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so here I will show you the picture which I took it from. Okay, so live parrot, you saw it in the same way. First picture is like Sanvia's pet bird, and here you can see the this one. But it is the beak of it. It is very strong. It is very strong, and you can see a curved beak. That is why it is called strong curved beak. Can you see it? Strong curved beak. Which birds have this type of strong curved beak? Parrots. So, yeah, so next poem, you have to write it in your book. Number 2, strong curved beak. Example for strong curved beak, that is parrots. And now I'm going to explain why do these parrots have like this beak? Why these parrots don't have the beaks of the ducks? Can you tell me, can anybody explain it? Why? Just imagine a parrot with a duck's beak. Some games are there, right? You have to match the beak to that particular bird. Some games are picture games are there. We have to match it. So in that, will it get matched if we keep duck's beak with the parrot? Will it get matched?
No.
Oh, why it is not matching? Why it is not matching?
Want to open the net seeds.
Every birds have different beaks.
Okay, why they have different beaks? That is why my
Open the flesh of the fruits.
They are different types of birds.
they are different types of bird. That is why they have different types of beaks. Is that I taught you?
Parrots want to open seeds and nuts.
Yes, very good, Steny.
And
So,
just scoop and
okay, don't read the textbook. Okay, don't read the textbook.
I
Here,
don't
see.
have text in my-
Wait. Here, children, this parrot, what is the food of this parrot? That is what we want to check. Parrots actually eats nuts, seeds, like that, isn't it? So, Sandhya told it they are providing bananas. Bananas means the seeds are there inside the banana. I think these parrots prefer these seeds and the chilies. See, whose audio is not muted?
My parrot also eats pear.
Oh, yeah, okay. So because inside that one seeds are present. So it is eating like that seeds. So if we, and main, another main food of these birds, these parrots, it is nuts. So when any type of nut it is given to you, you have to crush it to remove the outer skin of that one, outer covering of it. Inside you will get the food, right? In the same way, parrot, but for you to help, if sometime your parents would be there, otherwise you can take a stone and you can crush it using your hand. But is there anybody to help these birds? Parrot?
No.
So they have to crush it. They have to crush the nuts to take the fruit or the pulp from inside that. So for that, they need a strong beak. Okay, that is why their beaks are very strong. After crushing the nut, they want to take the pulp of it, the edible part of it. So this curve on their beak will help them to scoop out. How we are scooping out this ice cream from the packets? Ice cream from the container, how we are taking it using a scooper. In the same way, these beaks, the curve in the beaks will help them to scoop out the pulp of the fruits. See, just imagine if they have the beaks like ducks, will they be able to crush their nuts? Will they be able to scoop out the pulp of the fruit? No. That is why, according to the food habits, they have different types of beaks. Okay. So next one, another type. Okay, here also you can see another type of beak. So third variety, Jyoti, mute your audio. So third variety, that is short, hard, pointed beak. Short, hard, pointed beak. See, can you see this bird? Its beak, it is very short, but it is very hard also. And at the end, you can see it is pointed. Pointed means like a point. Is it looks like a duck's? Is it looks like a duck's beak? It is broad. And what about the parrot? It is somewhat pointed at the end, right? And here also it is pointed. Short, but it is short. So, short, third variety of beak, it is short, hard, pointed beak. Okay, so note down, children. Short, hard, pointed beak. Which all birds do this type of beaks? Sparrows, Pigeons and peacock. Sparrows, it is there in the picture, okay? And pigeons, okay. In the second picture, you can see like that beaks, first picture and in the second picture. So why they don't have the ducks or parrot-like beaks? Because they have to pick up seeds and worms from the soil. They have to pick up.
Vulture also.
Vulture, that is different. I will show you. Okay, that is very different from these all. See, like this beak is that with the eagle, vulture. Okay, that we will, yeah, that we will discuss it after this. So here you can see sparrows, pigeons, peacock. We can see they are picking the seeds and worms from the soil. We can see that, right? So if they have like this duck's beak, if they have duck's beak, will they be able to pick up the seeds and worms from the soil? No. If they have like this parrot beak, will they be able to pick up? That is also not possible. So, according to their food habit, that is, their food, it is worms and seeds from the soil. So, accordingly, they have short, hard, pointed beak. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
So, let me ask one question. Vaishnav, Shine, Devas, please switch on your video. Yes, so Devas, tell me, which type of beaks do the sparrows have?
Short, hard pointed beak.
Okay. Vaishnav Shine, switch on your video. Let me ask a question. Yes, you are here, right? So, which type of...
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
my voice is breaking. Is it breaking? No.
Yeah.
Vaishnav. Okay, Vaishnav, tell me, which type of beaks do these pigeons have?
Short, hard pointed beak.
Okay, so Niranjan,
Yes,
yes. Can you give example for short, hard, pointed beak bird?
Pigeon, sparrow, and peacocks.
Peacock, pigeon, sparrows, and peacocks. Okay, I hope you note down these all points. Isn't it, children? Isn't it? Okay, so can I change? Yes.
Yes.
Next one, it is woodpecker. This bird, it is woodpecker. Okay.
Ma'am, in my house, there will come.
Okay, there it is coming. Okay, Jyoti Lakshmi, woodpecker is okay. What it is doing? Yeah, what
It
is?
will come in the tree.
Wait. Let Jyoti to explain. Yes, Jyoti Lakshmi, tell me what you observed. Yes.
It will come in the tree and
Sat
will
there on
make
that
a
tree.
hole.
Oh, make holes. Have you heard the sound? How it is made during the when it makes the hole? Have you heard the sound? Tuck, 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 like that
Yes.
sound also we can hear it, right? So is it only one hole? Is it making or a lot of holes on the same tree? Only one. Only one, Shivashankaran. Okay, lot of. If see why they are okay. Now another question: why they are making these holes on the trees?
To live in there.
To live. Is it only to live?
To protect their eggs.
To protect their eggs.
Store food.
To store food.
Store food.
Okay, is this all the reason?
Ma'am, to protect eggs. Baby.
Janisa, Arthur,
Baby.
please wait. Janisa. Yes, tell me, Janisa. So, children, see this woodpecker. It is making a hole on the tree trunk. Okay, it is having the habit of making hole on the tree trunk. So, this woodpecker is making hole. Why it is making, Shivashankaran, switch on the video. So when why it is making this hole? Because
To protect their eggs.
so many insects, worms are present inside this hole, inside this trunk. Okay, tree trunk. That is its food. These small insects and these worms are its food. So in order to get this food, it is making the holes. Okay, so after making the hole, it may put its tongue. It is a long, sticky tongue, long and sticky tongue. So it will put it into this hole. When it put this sticky tongue into the hole, the small insects, ants, then worms, these all may get stick to this tongue. It can take that all as its food. Okay, that is how it takes the food. Understood? So this type of, see, have you seen this tool? Have you seen this
Yes.
tool? Yes, this tool.
Yes.
Who is using that tool, children?
Mechanic.
Mechanic. Rebecca.
Ma'am,
Who is using that tool?
mechanic. And
Joshua. Yes, Joshua. Who is using the
mechanics.
wait, Joshua?
Ma'am.
Yes, who is using that tool? Carpenter. Those who are working with wood. Okay, those are making furnitures, wooden furniture, then windows, doors. So they use this type of tool. That is called chisel. Okay, this tool is called chisel. What is this word? CHISEL, chisel. Okay, chisel. This tool, say, when we see this one, at the top it is very hard. But when it comes to down, it is very flat. Okay, it is round and getting flat at the bottom part. And here you can see a flat surface. There we can hammer it. We can use a hammer and we can hit on it. And using this sharp edge, we can split the windows. Split the wooden pieces. We can make holes on the wooden pieces. Likewise, we can use.
We can throw the outer layer of the wood.
Yes, that is, we can remove the outer layer of the wood also, wooden pieces also. See, children, if you are closely watching the beak of this woodpecker, can you see the shape? What is the shape of this woodpecker? It looks like, yeah, it looks like the chisel, right? It looks like the chisel. That
Chisel.
means woodpecker also is like a carpenter, isn't it? Woodpecker is also like a carpenter. He also want to make holes in the wood.
Tree.
So yeah, so what it will, so using its beak, chisel like beak, it can make holes easily on the wooden piece. Okay, got it? So this much is all about the different types of beak. Other two types of beaks we will discuss it in the next class.